Hello, my name is Irene Gómez. I'm the Open Innovation Director at Telefónica Group, and our main objective is connecting innovation coming from startups with Telefónica. And Alaian means to us a project in which we are going to share, connect all this innovation between different telcos. So we are going to enforce that we are going to generate a community. We are going to share, we are going to find, we are going to scout together in order to enforce our position as telcos. During a long time, from the Open Innovation Unit, we've been looking for that innovation for Telefónica in different geographies, winning this access to ecosystems, to the alliance, all the job, the methodology, the way we've been working with the corporation at Telefónica. I think it's a good knowledge that we are going to share. And of course, all the capillarity that we have are going to be part of this. Obviously, 5G is one of the key, and hopefully we're going to find different use cases that are going to bring value on top of 5G around different verticals, for example, industry, e-health, security, but we are also super open as part of this alliance to look in other fields like metaverse and everything that is going to come. So let's see.
Alaian. Disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.